Hello class 6. Welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 4.3 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. So in this question we have to write down angles of the figure. So there are 4 angles. We can see that there are total 4 angles. We know this. Now we have to write down name of the angles. So first if I start from D, so the D angle will be named as CDA or ADC. So simply first I am writing the name of the angle in this way: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Or we can write down the name of these angles in another way also. For example, if I want to write down angle A, so I will write down DAB, angle DAB or BAD. So both are correct. Now coming to angle B. So angle B, angle ABC, angle ABC or CBA. Both are correct. Now name of this one: angle BCD, BCD or DCB. So we can write down the angles in other way also. Last one is D. So CDA or ADC. ADC. So angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle ADC. So here finally we understood that we can write down name of the angles in this way also and this way also. Both are correct. Question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points: A. In the interior of angle DOE, B. In the exterior of angle EOF, C. On angle EOF. So A part is we have to write down the points which are in the interior of angle DOE. So here DOE, this is our angle. So DOE, which point is interior? Interior means inside. Inside of angle DOE, only this point is lying in the interior. So answer is point A. B. In the exterior of angle EOF. Now coming to EOF. So we are talking about this angle, this one. So EOF, we have to find out exterior of this. So we are talking about exterior means outside. We have to find out the points which are lying on exterior of this angle. So there are C. First one is our C. This A, because this is exterior of this angle. And last one is D. This is also a point which is exterior of FOE or EOF. So answer C, A, D. C, A, D. This is our answer. C. On angle EOF. Here EOF. So So we have to find out the point which are lying on, not interior, not exterior, on this angle, on this line. So here first point is E, second one is B, third one is O, and last one is F. So these all are lying on this angle E, O, B, F. Answer. Question number 3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have A. 1 point in common, B. 2 points in common, C. 3 points in common, D. 4 points in common, and E. 1 ray in common. A part. In A part, we have to draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have 1 point in common. So first of all, we have to draw a diagram which has at least two angles and 1 point in common. So drawing one angle here, this is first one, and the name is, suppose I am giving name of COD. So this is first angle, and what about second? This one. So this is, I am giving second angle. So this is A, O and B. Now we have two angles. First one is DOC or COD. Second one is AOB. Now here we can see that angle O, point O, this O is common in COD also and BOA also. So here is our answer. Now O is common point these two angles, in these two angles, between angle COD and angle BOA or AOB. Answer. B part. In B part, we have to draw a diagram of two angles such that they have 2 points in common. Here only 1 point was common. Now we have to find out a diagram which has at least 2 points are common in two angles. So we have to draw the figure. Suppose this is our angle. This is angle and we are giving the name B, O, this one, and A. Now coming to another angle, because they are talking about at least two angles. So one more, this one, giving name ABC. This is C point. Now here we can see that there are two angles. Now BOA and BOC. So if I am writing BOA and COB, how many points are common? This O and this B. It means these 2 points are common in these two angles. So answer is O and B are common points between angle, this one, AOB, and this angle, BOC. Answer. Now C part. In C part, we have to draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have 3 points in common. So in first part, we had 1 point in common. In second part, we had 2 points in common. Now in this question, we have to find out 3 points in common. So easy to do. We have to put only here one more point. So same first angle and second angle. This is first one, this is second one. The same we can do here. C O B A, and here we can put one more point. It means COB and BOA, these are two angles, and BEO points are common in angles. So BEO, B, E and O are common points between AOB and BOC. Angle AOB and angle BOC. Answer. D part. Here we have to draw a diagram of two angles such that they have 4 points in common. So I am taking the figure first angle and second angle. So name is, we can write down any name here. O, this one C, B, and this is A. Now we have to write down 4 points in common in this angle and in this angle. Now COB and BOA are two angles. Now we have to write down 4 points in common. First point is O, second point is B. Now we have to write down 2 more points. So I am writing here E and F. It means B, E, F, O are common points in this angle and this angle also. So here O, this one O, F, E, B are common points between these two angles, AOB, angle AOB and angle BOC. Answer. E part. We have to draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have one ray in common. In previous question we had found points in common. So these are points here. But now we have to find out ray in common. And we all know what is ray. Ray has starting point. We know the starting point of ray, but we don't know about ending point. So this is ray, and the symbol of ray is A, B. This is ray. So now we have to draw a figure in this way. Two angles. First angle, second angle. So A, O and C. We have first angle, second angle, C, O, B. So we are giving the name here. Now OC, this is OC. If I say that O and C, if I write in this way O and C, it means these are points. But if I write OC, we know the starting point, this is O, but we don't know here ending point. So this is arrow. Now this is our OC is our ray. It means OC is a ray and this ray is common in AOC and BOC. OC is common ray between this and this, between AOC, angle AOC and angle BOC. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.